So guys, I want to tell you guys a story that almost broke me, but at some point in my life it rebuilt me. Years ago I had one income that gives me money, which is my salary, just one, and every month follow the same painful pattern. Salary enters, bills attack, transport hits, feeding swallows, emergencies finishes it. So by the second week of the month, I was already borrowing people to survive. And by the third week, I was calculating how much, like how to stretch the remaining 1,005 that I have for days. You understand? So by the fourth week, guys, I was already praying for the next payday, like it was Christmas. And then one day, something humiliating happened. Someone asked me for 2,000 naira, just 2K, and I couldn't help them. Not because I didn't want to, but because I didn't have it. That day I realized something very painful. I realized that one income is not security, one income is dependency, and one income is survival mode disguised as stability. So if you're tired of depending on that one income, if you're tired of always being careful with money, if you're tired of living on edge, guys, then pay attention to this video, because what I'm about to share will change your entire financial life, and it can actually change yours today. Now let us begin. You understand? Now you need to know the truth about one side income. You understand? Let's be brutal, guys. One side income cannot give you freedom, security, peace, options, stability, and long term. No, it cannot. The economy is unstable, yes. Jobs itself are unstable. Companies are unstable. Currencies. Life itself is also unstable. But trust me, your future don't have to be unstable. When you depend on one income, you are always calculating, always stressed, always afraid of emergencies, always living small, and always shrinking your dreams. But multiple income will give you that breathing room, confidence, peace, control, savings, investment opportunities, and choices. Now let us talk about that solution, which is the real beginner-friendly achievable solution. Number one, you need to learn one digital skill. If you want extra income, start here. Just one digital skill can actually change everything, and these are the easiest for beginners. Canva design, YouTube thumbnail, video editing, smudging, virtual assistant, social media management, freelancing writing, and also your Notion template. These are the things that can actually help you. Now, why do I mention this? Because no experience is needed. You don't need a laptop. They are high demand globally, and they pay in dollars. Clients are everywhere. They are easy to learn, and you can also work at your own pace. Honestly speaking, your goal is not to learn everything. Your goal is to master one thing, and that one thing is an income stream. Number two, you need to create a digital product. This is one of the fastest ways for you to add a second income. You know why? Because you create it once and it sells forever. For example, like I always say, your planner, journal, template, smudge, social media, children activity sheet, ebooks, and all of those things. Then you can use some platforms. I always mention them. You can go to some of these my videos and see the platforms you can actually market all these things. And the best part of this, there is no delivery, no customer stress, no inventory, no physical product, and no shipping. Just pure, simple, peaceful income. And this is how people earn $50, $200, $1,000 monthly while they are asleep. Now, number three is what? You need to start a micro YouTube channel. This is the most underestimated income stream in the world. You don't need a big camera. Your face, you don't need it. You don't need perfect English. You don't need, fancy editing. You can start as a storytelling channel, motivation channel, tutorial, faceless, fact channel, smudge, productivity, finance tip, lifestyle with voiceovers, and compilation channel. You understand? You can also go for income sources, like it can give you that income sources like your AdSense, your brand deals, affiliate marketing, digital product, and also your YouTube short bonus. Even one video can, feed you for years. Trust me, when you optimize all these things very, very well. Now, number 4 is you can offer a mini service. Now, mini services are very simple. They are easy tasks people pay for, such as, removing background from images, creating captions, editing reels, fixing documents, designing quick flyers, writing short bios, creating WhatsApp ads, organizing files, and also creating aesthetics IG posts. You understand? You can go ahead and charge as high as 5K, 10K, 15,000 naira, depending. Now, do 5 people a week. Trust me, when you do these 5 people a week, you've created a second income stream. Very simple, no stress, and it is also beginner friendly. Number 5, start a drop servicing. This is the income stream that made me say, why did I do this earlier? Drop servicing means someone pays you and you hire someone else to do the job and you keep the profit. Yes. Example, a client can, you can design a logo and, tag it $70. Then you outsource the job for $20 profit, and $50 becomes your own. You don't need any skill, you just need communication, and it works for editing, logo design, social media posts, voiceover, website designing, captions, thumbnails, and all of that. It is very, very easy. So let me tell you guys something. You are not tired of life. Yes, you are tired of limitation. You are just tired of watching your dreams shrinking to match your salary. You are tired of calculating money that refuses to stretch, and you're also tired of hoping the economy will change. But you can change it. Can change your mindset, can change your income, can change your life, also can actually change. So you need to stop depending on that one particular income and start building options, start building confidence, start building freedom. You deserve more, and you know it. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming across my channel, welcome. Like this video, share, comment. I'm ready for multiple incomes. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell so I don't miss out on our weekly money and digital service videos. See you guys in my next video.